This is your Part 2 assessment for Unit 1, Week 4. And the skill we've been learning this week for our comprehension skill is classify and categorize. And what that means is to place things or ideas that are alike in at least one way into groups. So I'm going to read a read aloud to you. And make sure you're listening and paying attention, because then you're going to have to complete an activity for classify and categorize after the read aloud. The title of the story is Freshly Baked. Frank owns a bakery. He bakes all kinds of bread. He makes big loaves, small loaves, round ones, and square. He also makes dinner rolls and breadsticks and cookies and pies and donuts and bagels and cakes. Yummy! But Frank can't make all of these good things by himself. He needs help. He has people called bakers who help him bake. Each baker has a special job to do. It's Lena's job to measure and mix the ingredients to make the bread dough. She measures flour, salt, sugar, shortening, yeast, and milk. Lena mixes the salt, sugar, and milk together. She heats the mixture on the stove until it's too hot to touch. Then Lena adds shortening. The shortening melts when it hits the hot milk. Next, it's time to add yeast. Yeast will make the bread dough swell up with air like a balloon when you blow it up. When Lena is done, Juan takes over. Juan puts the mixture into a big bowl. He uses a machine called a mixer to stir the ingredients together. As the mixer stirs, Juan adds flour little by little. Now the mixture is called dough. Soon the dough will be baked into bread. But first, strong hands must push and pull the dough to make it smooth and soft. That's Keisha's job. She plops the sticky dough onto a table and starts pushing and pulling it. She adds flour as she pushes and pulls. The flour keeps the dough from sticking to her hands. When Keisha is finished, the bread dough is big, smooth, and a round ball. Keisha puts the big ball of dough into a clean bowl. She lays a towel over the top and sets the bowl in a warm place in the kitchen. Now the yeast goes to work. It makes the dough swell up bigger and bigger. The dough rises up to almost twice its original size. After the dough rises, Frank takes it from its warm spot. Today at the bakery, they're making dinner rolls. Frank separates the big ball of dough into small balls. Each small ball will become a dinner roll. Frank puts flour on his hands as he works so the dough will not stick to his fingers. Frank places the rolls on baking trays and gives them time to rise some more. Then it's Amanda's turn. Amanda must carefully slide each tray of dinner rolls into the hot oven. The oven bakes the dough until each ball has turned into a dinner roll. To make sure that the rolls don't bake for too long, Amanda sets a timer. When the timer rings, Amanda knows it's time to take the tray of rolls out of the oven. When the rolls are done, they have a golden brown tops and smell warm and tasty. Yummy! As soon as the rolls are done, Frank sets them out to cool. Then he takes them from the kitchen to store in the front, where people can see those beautiful dinner rolls. Now customers can buy the freshly baked rolls. Some people would munch on the rolls at dinner time. Other people use them to make sandwiches for lunch. However people eat the rolls, they should all know that they were made by a team of bakers, all working together and cooperating. Without the work of Frank, Lena, Juan, Keisha, and Amanda, the bakery would have nothing to sell today. Each person helped make the rolls for the rest of us to eat and enjoy. The end. Continue on the next slide to complete your activity.